How's it going, y'all? So yeah, here with another mukbang. So yeah, we got hamburger, and it's hamburger with the chicken patty, and it's we did the hamburger with some of that Lipton onion seasoning and some secret ingredients, and then the chicken is done with this yes, Brazilian steakhouse marinade. Ooh. Go get y'all some of this, y'all. And then my famous potato salad, which is, get close, y'all. Oh, this is good, yummy. Yeah, but it's a good cross between a German style potato salad and a classic. Two of them had a baby, yes. But then, like I said, so we got the burger, the Lipton onion, and then we got the chicken with the Brazilian steakhouse, and then of course I got some dill pickles on there, and then I got a pineapple, a ring of pineapple, and then ranch and jalapeno. Yes, y'all, sauce on there. So let's go ahead and show y'all this. Yes, y'all, look. Yes. Did that not make you want to take a yummy bite, y'all? Yes, y'all. Look. Y'all, that took me to another planet. Oh my god. Oh yes, and I grilled it on my grill. So yeah, real deal, handmade and grilled. That's charcoal grill. None of that gas funny business. Charcoal, baby. Hang on, y'all. I forgot a napkin. Well, though, yes, that is good hamburger. Very well seasoned, nice and soft. You get the chicken, you get that pickle. Now, if I would have grilled the pineapple, would have been better, but I didn't grill it. But yeah, grill it, more flavor. Hi y'all, how's y'all Sunday going? mine's obviously doing fabulous. So I got some of these taco chips. They're pretty tasty. Kind of like Doritos, that taco flavor. And it's our HEB brand. And they also have ranch and Cool Ranch and regular, and then they got sour cream cilantro, and then they got jalapeno, guacamole. So they got a lot of the mainstream Dorito brands that they make. It's a HEB product, so. But yeah, so I've been craving this potato salad. Craving it. Haven't made potato salad in probably 2 or 3 years. But yes, this is really good. And got everything in there. Mayonnaise, lots of different types of mustard, like 3 different types of mustard. Dill pickles, never sweet. Not in my household. Green olives, egg, yellow sweet onion, cubes of cheese, parsley, Worcestershire sauce, horseradish sauce, a little bit of soy sauce, yeah, flavor, y'all. And I used Montreal seasoning, steak seasoning. Put a little of that smoky flavor in there. Ooh, yes, y'all. It is really good. And everything you can put in here if you don't want to do the Montreal. Put smoked paprika. It gives a smoky flavor. Plus I put paprika anyways, regular and parsley like I said. But yes, this is super tasty. Like I said, it's smack dab in between a mustard German and a classic. Yum. Yeah. Look out. I got my Sun Kiss Orange. Yippity yay. Woo! Oh. Yeah. Yeah, this is good. Super, super good. So, here in Texas it's been hot and cold, so a lot of people getting sick. So, anyways, this food is yummy. But I've been wanting to grill for a while, so I'm like, let's grill. And trust me, I'm gonna be smoking something next. Oh yeah. I would love using my smoker. And my grill. So, yummy. Yummy, yummy. These taco chips taste a lot like, not too intense, maybe a little salty, but like a taco seasoning. Yes, y'all, look at that. Let me see if I can do we'll do a mannequin pose shot. Alright, y'all. What, y'all? That was sure one yummy bite, y'all. Happy. That is so good. Flavor's just popping. Yeah, we hit the flavor train on this one, y'all. Y'all, this was a go out and make it. Use your grill. Get some potato salad together, whatever you like, side dish. Get your family out there. Get your friends out there. Have a great time. Drink responsibly. Peace out, baby. You been VERN. Bang, baby. Just one more yummy bite.